So I was showing you how hacking is done, and this is for educational purposes only. So stay on track because I have cyber hacks out there. Always be ethical. For do this, you will need one machine running Kali Linux and a wireless adapter with support monitor mode. And once you have all of that, start up Kali Linux and make sure that you have the wireless adapter connected. Run ifconfig, and this will give you a list of the network interfaces so that we know that the wireless adapter is connected. So here we see the name LL0 is the name of my wireless adapter, and here Ether you can see that it has a MAC address. So one of the things we want to do is change that MAC address, and when we change that MAC address, it's to make us anonymous, and it will also help you to bypass filters and help you to impersonate other devices. And to do that, we will need to disable that interface name. So to do that, we would run the ifconfig followed by the interface name and put it in the down state. And once it is done, then you can go ahead and change the MAC address. And to do that, you will also run ifconfig followed by the interface name, which is LL0 HW ether, and then give it that new MAC address. So once you have already assigned that MAC address, you can go ahead and bring the interface back up. You can go ahead and enable it. So you will run ifconfig, the interface name followed by up, and that will enable the interface name once more. And to confirm that that is done, you can simply run ifconfig again, and this will list the network interfaces, and you can see the interface name and the MAC address ether has been changed. Now we want to do one more thing, and that change your wireless adapter mode from manage to monitor. And to do that, you can run iwconfig, and you will see the network interface name LL0, and the mode is in manage. And we want to change that to monitor because we want this adapter to listen and capture any packet within that range. So as you noticed previously, whenever we want to make changes to this wireless adapter, we need to disable the interface. So to do that, we run ifconfig followed by the interface name LL0 and put it in the down state. And this is an optional command you can run, and this just helps to kill any processes that can stop the adapter from going into monitor mode, and that is airmon-ng check kill. And once you run that, you can go ahead and try to change the wireless adapter to monitor mode. And to do that, we will run iwconfig followed by the interface name, put mode, and then change it to monitor. And sometimes it will fail, so that doesn't mean that your adapter isn't working or you won't be able to put it into monitor mode. You can just simply run the down command again to put the interface in a down state, and then you try to run the same command to put it into monitor mode again, and that should do the job. And to confirm that it is working, we bring the interface back up, so we run ifconfig LL0 up, and then to confirm that your wireless adapter is in monitor mode, you can go ahead and run iwconfig, and that will show you the list of wireless interfaces, and you will be able to see that the adapter has been placed into monitor mode. Please note that whenever you change the mode to monitor mode, sometimes it changes the interface name, so that may vary for you guys. So now you can start hacking networks, ethical hacking, and you can use a tool that is a part of AircrackNG, which is aerodump-ng followed by the wireless adapter name while it is in monitor mode. And what this will do, it will monitor traffic and capture packets on networks even if you're not connected to it. This is just the start of it, so in the next video I will show you how this is actually done and why connecting to public wireless network is not safe.